guys, there's people have died just over there, and it's probably a good idea to get out of the city centre. Dead out over there right now. I'd recommend getting out of the city centre. Stay in the middle of the streets because glass and stuff's all falling down. Hey guys, there's dead people and stuff just down there. I'd recommend not getting out of the city centre as quick as possible. There are dead people down there. I'd recommend getting away from these buildings and getting home or something, eh? People have died down there. I wouldn't recommend going down there. The buildings are real bad.
Yeah.
I'd recommend
Where's everybody going up?
Getting out of the city centre and leaving it to the... Yeah. Get out of the city centre. Okay. Trust me. People have died just down there from buildings falling on them. Down there, I'd get out of the city centre. Get away from these tall buildings and go home. Just walk out of the city centre. You're going the wrong way. Go away from the...
that way because there's gas leaks.
It's the CTV building. About 10 minutes after the quake. I would say people will be lucky to survive that. Total demolition of that building. Oh, bro, oh, mate, that was fucking hard. I've seen 2 dead people already. Like, this one's real bad. Real bad. Were you upstairs? That must have been nuts. I was on a 3rd-storey building and it was fucking nuts.
No, I thought we were gone.
I ran back down to that house so fast, mate. I've never run so fast. And I've seen when I come around Cashel Mall, I've seen all this dust, and I thought, and I couldn't see our building. I thought, oh, fuck.
But I don't know if it's still there after the second one, man. Because we were here. Right there, that came down the second one. That came down right in front of us. The second one. This one came down a little bit more. I've been running to and from helping these guys out, but now it's nothing to do.
Concrete, okay? Alright?
Yeah, this one's fucking disaster.
Hey, mate.
Hey, man, how are you?
What's the like?
Evacuating the city centre. Hey, bro, how are you?
Brother, fuck.
You
How
alright?
are you, G?
I've seen a few dead people,
Oh, fuck, have you?
City centre's like real bad, bro.
Oh, I hear that.
CTV building, no survivors there, mate. It's real fucking way worse than the original. Yeah, I wouldn't go in the city centre at the moment. It's
My
like,
mum works at Mackenzie and Willis, so he's really worried about her and fucking
you won't be
all
able to get in there.
furniture and glasses.
oh yeah, there's a few injured people.
Yeah, how do we,
without
cell phones are down, how do we contact them? Or,
I don't know, but they won't let you in. There's gas leaks and all sorts of shit. They're sending everyone to Latimer Square. Hey bro, how are you, right? Pretty gnarly, eh? Seen a few dead people in the city centre. Yeah, it's real bad, real bad. So, home's destroyed, is it? Yeah, my staff were looking at me like stunned mullets.
I think that sounds.
Yeah,
Hey man.
it was more the violence that was throwing the shit.
Infection. Yes, Christchurch was built on a swamp. Roads all buckled and twisted, one of the main streets. So the city's in for a long fucking repair period. Of course, these people were driving down the road as this happened to them. Yeah, well.